One of the most common questions I hear from new web designers is, should I focus on design or development? It's a smart question, and the answer isn't one size fits all. In this lesson, I'll help you figure out where you naturally fit and how to build your business around your strengths. Let's start by breaking down what each side really means. Web design. This is all about visuals, layout, and user experience. Designers craft the look and feel of a site, how it looks, flows, and guides the user. You'll be working with tools like Figma, Webflow, or page builders in WordPress. If you enjoy things like choosing fonts and color palettes, creating layouts and wireframes, thinking about how users interact with pages, making digital experiences beautiful and functional, then design is probably your zone. Now let's look at the other side. Web development. This focuses on the technical side of bringing a site to life. Developers write the code, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and sometimes back-end code to build custom features and complex systems. If you like solving problems with logic, writing clean, efficient code, digging into how things work under the hood, customizing platforms or building apps from scratch, then development might be your home. But here's the thing. You don't have to do both. In fact, some of the most successful web professionals are laser-focused on one side and partner or outsource the other. So how do you choose? Ask yourself, what kind of work feels energizing, not draining? When you imagine your perfect workday, are you designing or coding? What kind of projects are you most excited to take on? Remember, this course is about building a business, and you get to shape that business around your strengths. Now, a quick note about hybrid roles. Some platforms blur the lines between design and development. Tools like Webflow and Framer let you visually design while also controlling code-level behavior. If you enjoy a little of both, these tools give you flexibility without requiring deep technical expertise. And if you want to eventually scale your business, you can always build a team. You might handle the design and hire a developer when needed, or vice versa. What matters most is focus. Start with your strengths. Build confidence, build momentum, and offer real value. That's where your business grows. So whether you identify as a designer, developer, or somewhere in between, you belong in this industry. There's massive demand for both skill sets, and you can succeed by leaning into what makes you unique. In the next lesson, we'll talk about a key skill that applies to everyone: how to build websites that convert. Because a beautiful site is great, but a high-performing one, that's what keeps clients coming back. Let's keep going.